Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Let's start. Today is the most important discussion. IELTS writing 1 step to a band 7 plus sentences. Let's start. Here 2002 rock 31% and in 2007 rock was 38% and in the 2012 it was 40%. Increase year by year. How can write in your essay? In the simple language, second step, sale of the rock music increase from 31 to 40% throughout the period. It is a very simple sentence. Now how can we convert into the complex one? Sale of the rock music, which was the most popular genre, increase from the 31 to 40% throughout the period. Now what we can do it? Firstly, mind your convert the simple sentence and add up with the another sentence. Merge it. It will be make complex one. Two sentence can make complex one. Never forget about the comma. It is the most important for increase your bands. Now see the R and B 30%, then in 2007 20% and in 2012 only 12%. Decrease year by year. Now how can write in your essay? Let's see. IELTS academic writing task 1. First of all, simple sentence. The share of the R&B music experienced the sharpest decline of 18% over the 10-year period. Now, R&B was the second most popular genre in 2002 and decline in 2007. How can make it complex one? The share of R&B music, which was second most popular genre in 2002, experienced the sharpest decline of 18% over the 10-year period. Okay, let's see another example. The share of the R&B music, which was the second most popular genre in 2002, experienced the sharpest decline of the 18% over the 10-year period, falling into third place. In 2012. R&B fell into third place in 2012. Now here 3 lines. How can merge it by comma? It is a called complex one. If you want to increase your score, then follow this rule. Now let's see the task 2. How can written in the complex one for make the 7 plus pen sentences. Writing IELTS task 2. Watching TV discourage people from being physically active. Now how can convert it? Watching TV has become the favorite pastime for many years. These two sentences merge and make it complex one. Watching TV, which has become the favorite pastime for many, discourage people from being physically active. Now let's see the second example. How can make the complex sentence? Watching TV discourage people from being physically active. Being physically active is more important for the health and well-being. Now these two sentences merge and make the complex one. You have some time. Write down your notebook, then comment below in this video. Now let's see your example. How can make the complex sentence? Watching TV discourage people from being physically active, which is important for wealth and well-being. Now, see any object we can use the which word. Which word when used? It is used for the object, not for the human beings. Okay, let's see the second example. How can make the complex sentence? Note down which use for the things, who use for the people. Never use the things whose word and never use the whose for thing. Now you have the example best one. Watching TV discourage people who often feel tired other work from the well-being physically active. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.